Ella in her car.
Are you recording right now?
This is still Amy's birthday. It was pretty cold outside, so we got Ella in Colton's dinosaur jammies. And Marie said now we got
It's like a little mini.
Marcus. We got 2 Maurices.
Come on, baby, let's go.
So we had to keep the bow in her hair so that everyone knows she's a girl.
Say bye.
Ella.
Say bye.
Ella. We're driving around in your car? Oh my goodness!
Bye-bye.
Oh, here comes Mr. Biggles.
Y'all turn around, huh?
Mr. Biggles coming through. Uh-oh, uh-oh. There's construction. Colton will help her with her
Likes this car a lot.
driving.
We're gonna have to get her one.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna have to get her car now.
Now Ella needs a new car. She needs a pink one. Here's Bubba. And Boone.
What's up?
We're back.
Woo! Hey, babies! Ella! Hi, baby! You do happy in there.
Beep, beep.
I still think you look like a girl.
She looks
You're still a pretty girl. Don't worry about it.
like me, that's why.
Why? Because you look like a girl?
I hope she doesn't look like me actually when she gets older though. Huh, baby? I hope you don't look like me. Be a really cute girl, huh? She loves this car. We're gonna have to get her one. We're gonna have to start looking to get her one of these cars.
We'll take her in the mall in this car.
Uh-huh.